Hello, you're welcome back to another lesson. God bless you. Today we'll be talking about a league that most gospel players, contemporary gospel players, they make use on the major six. So for this lesson, we are going to be on the key of C major, and on the key of C major, we have this. We have the So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. The key A is the 6. Now on the major scale, your 6 is a minor scale, is a minor chord rather. Is a minor chord. And now we are dealing with a major 6. And the passing lick I'm talking about is used on this major 6, and it is used as a passing to the 2. To the 2. So this is what the lick sounds like. Alright, before I play it, if you are new to this channel, kindly you are welcome to the channel. Kindly subscribe, like this lesson, hit on the notification bell to be notified when lessons are dropped on this channel, and equally share this lesson to others to benefit from it. God bless you. And for existing subscribers, you are welcome back to the channel. So we have this. I'll play it again. So it's a lick you can play to go from to use the major 6 as a passing to the minor second, to the minor 2. Okay. So what do we have here? On my left hand I'm playing this, which is A dominant 7th. A dominant 7th, and the lick on my right hand I'm playing this. So I'm doing a grace down these 4 notes from E to E flat to D and then to C sharp. That's the first line. Then the second line from B to B flat to E. Then I'm doing another grace from F to F sharp to G. Okay, and then we resolve it back to the 2. So take for an example a sing like Great is Thy Faithfulness. I can decide to play this. Okay, so if I intend to play to go to the 2 from the 1, I can have this. Again. Okay, so let's check other keys. Let's see the key of C sharp. The key of B flat is the 6. We're dealing with the major 6 instead of the minor. We are doing the major 6. So for this lick, we have this. So we have F, E, E flat, D. Then we have B flat, B flat, F. The grace from F sharp to G to A flat, and then we are landing on the minor second. So again, so we have great is thy faithfulness, oh God my Father, dear. So I'll do the lick again. Let's see the key of F major. D is the 6. And this is the major. So we have this. So we have great is thy faithfulness, oh God my Father, there is no shadow of turning with thee. So that is it. I'll just play the lick again. Okay. Depending, you can have this. Oh, so this rather. Yeah. Do la flat 7 to 6. Let's see the key of F sharp. E is the 6 on F sharp, and this is the major 6. So you have this. Great is thy faithfulness, oh God my Father. There is no shadow of turn near with thee, thou changest not. Okay, so that is it on the key of F sharp. Let's see the key of E flat. So on the key of E flat, C is the 6, and we are doing the major 6. So you have this. It's a very popular gospel movement and gospel lick. So you have the great is thy faithfulness. Again, great is thy Okay, so let's see the key of A flat. So on the key of A flat, we have F is the major, F is the 6, and F major chord is the major 6. So we have this on the key of A flat. So this this is a very popular and common movement that you can do from the major 6 to the minor 2, and it's very popular and it's nice. So that's it for today's lesson. Kindly subscribe, share this lesson, and if you would want to join my private piano class, the link to my WhatsApp will be in the description box. Kindly reach out to me and register for the class. That will be all for today's lesson. Thank you very much. God bless you. I'll see you in the next video, and do well to check other amazing lessons on this channel that will really help you if you are new to this channel. Thank you. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.